Hey there, juniors. Happy Friday. So today we're going to do an activity to see who is the best saboteur. Yeah. Okay. So this is slide sabotage, Great Depression Canada edition. Number one rule of the slide sabotage: you don't talk about slide sabotage. You can see the directions. You have a handout. I asked Miss Small to hand it out, so you got it. So follow along with me, okay? You only work on your group slides. You do not alter other group slides. You need to be a team player, okay? Remember, it's not about sabotaging others, it's about sabotaging me. That's way more fun. All right, so if you flip the directions over, you're going to see a chart, and you're going to see like a little worksheet. So you're going to fill out your worksheet, you're going to gather your information on your Great Depression political party, and do the following. You're going to add your information to your slide in the PowerPoint, and I'll show you this in a minute. So you came in, you have directions, you have a handout on the back, the chart, and you're going to get an information handout, and that's how you're going to find your group. So for example, when I get handed out a piece of paper and mine says like 1930s, the Liberal Party reactions to the Great Depression, I'm going to look around the room and see who else has that, and those are my group mates. That's how it works. Okay, so you're going to add your information to your slide in the PowerPoint. Everyone else will be taking notes on your slides, so make them informative and to the point. Please do not write an essay on each slide, because that would be terrible, right? So your classmates have to write it down as well, and they don't want to have too much. You need at least one relevant picture for each informative slide. So please save silly pictures for a separate slide, okay? You can have up to 2 fun slides on your topic. Anything that's appropriate, okay? Hint, if you have to ask, it's probably not appropriate, and I'm the final call, okay? Miss Small's final call. Don't be a weirdo, okay? You're going to present your slide. So you're going to do this. You only need one person to present, but you can all join in if you like, okay? So you're going to present your information. Okay, so how this is going to work is, when you're going to get your Chromebooks and you're going to get on this tiny URL. So why don't you pause this video, go grab your Chromebooks, and while you're getting your Chromebooks, you will all get a information sheet that says 1930s, and then either the Liberal Party or the Conservative or the CCF, and so on and so forth. So you guys grab the Chromebooks. Our lovely substitute teacher will be handing out the information sheet, and then we're ready to get down to business. Okay, go do that. Pause this. Okay, let's reiterate what we're doing just to make sure we're all clear. And hey, look, I'm on the tiny URL. There you have it. Okay, so you should have the directions on the back. You have the chart where you are going to fill out your information. You want to make sure you have it down there, because when you are sharing, you're going to be writing down everybody else's information, so you have all this. Again, you should have an information sheet. In a minute, you can figure out who is in your group, who's got the similar sheet as you. And yeah, and again, our purpose is to work on your group slides and to make sure you have the information on there. Okay, so here's a pre-made slideshow, and you're going to see that they have headings and some information on here that just needs to be filled in. So you are going to work on this. You can have fun slides. Again, key to keep it appropriate. Okay, so yeah, be ready to go. We'll take some time to present. So, you know, it's a 70-minute period. I'm thinking you guys should be able to present in about 40 minutes, okay? 40, 45 minutes. So let's get to work. Find your group.